Hello, welcome back. This is your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenifumbo, and today we are just going to look at criminal justice institutions in Zambia. So as we are saying that there are criminal procedures, that are taken in a criminal jurisdiction. So today we are just going to look at what are the institutions that help in administration of criminal jurisdiction. So, number one, we have got what is called the National Prosecution Authority. So, in Zambia, we have got the National Prosecution Authority. The National Prosecution Authority is the guide of the prosecutions in Zambia. It is established by the National Prosecution Authority Act number 34 of 2010. So the main function of the NPA, as provided by the Act, is to oversee criminal prosecution in the country under the leadership of the Director of Public Prosecution. So that is National Prosecution Authority is the one that is mandated and given the authority by the nation or by the constitution according to the laws of Zambia to be able to administer all prosecutions of criminal offenses in Zambia. So then we have got the Zambia Police Service. According to the Zambia Police Service is created by the Article 193 of the laws of Zambia, and also at one of the Constitution of Zambia, which is Amended Act number 2 of 2016. So the functions of the police service are found in subsection Article 2 of the Constitution of Zambia. From the foregoing, it can be seen the responsibility and accountability of the police as constitutional mandate. So the police, they have got the constitutional mandate, and in nature, whose sole duty can be summarized as to protect and promote human rights. So the work of the police is to protect and promote human rights. Now, it's we have to understand, and whenever you have got you are brought before the police or anyone that you may be able to represent, you have to be able to make the police aware that their major duty, according to the Constitution of Zambia, is to protect and promote human rights. So the Zambia Police Service shall protect life and property. So the duties of the Zambia Police is to protect life and property. Number 2, to preserve peace and maintain law and order. To preserve peace and to maintain law and order, to ensure the security and safety of the people. So with the police are there to protect us as citizens of the given nation or the citizens of Zambia. Then the other thing is to detect and prevent crime. The other work that the police have been given, according to the Constitution of Zambia, is to detect and also to protect, to prevent crime. Then also to uphold the Bill of Rights. So it is the duty of the police to uphold the Bill of Rights, to ensure that the rights of citizens are being protected, not to abuse the rights of the citizen. Then also to foster and promote good relationships with defense forces, other national security services, and members of the society. So the other function of the police is to perform functions as prescribed. So the Constitution of Zambia has given the job description of the police service so that they may be able to administer accordingly and according to what the law stipulates. And any officer that does not operate in these guidelines that has been given as a mandate in the Constitution of Zambia, that means that that officer must be reported to the other institution, which is called Public Police Public Complaints Commissioner, which deals and investigate any police officer who is not working according to the mandate and according to the description that they have been given and commissioned as the public officer to perform for the people of Zambia. Then there is also what is called the Anti-Corruption Commission. The Anti-Corruption Commission is also an institution that has been established to administer some of the criminal procedures and to ensure that the people of Zambia are protected. Also, the anti-corruption is established by the Article 235 of the Constitution of Zambia, which is amended Act number 2 of 2016. However, the principal act which operationalize the commission is the Anti-Corruption Act number 3 of 2012, which it outlines the mandate of the institution. So the act outlines the mandate of the mandate of the commission. So the Anti-Corruption Commission is there to protect and to uphold the rights of people, and it is also the part of the criminal procedure or institution that has been established to administer the laws of Zambia when it comes to criminal offenses. So the Anti-Corruption Commission has limited jurisdiction to prosecute offenses relating to corruption practices as defined by the Enabling Act. Meanwhile, prosecutors in the Anti-Corruption Commission are appointed in the according to the Section 87 of the Criminal Procedure Act and also Chapter 88 of the Laws of Zambia in the same vein. No offense under the Anti-Corruption Act can be prosecuted without the consent of the DPP. So even the cases which is under the Zambia prosecution or the anti-corruption must undergo through what is called the Director of Public Prosecution, is the one that should mandate the prosecution of any offense in the prosecution. In the commission, in the Anti-Corruption Commission. Then there is also what is called Financial Intelligence Center. So the Financial Intelligence Center is created by the Financial Intelligence Center Act number 46 of 2010. It is the main mandate. Its main mandate is to disseminate information to law enforcement agencies where there is reasonable grounds to suspect money laundering and financial or terrorism or any activity that may be able to bring the danger in the governance of economy and finances in our nation. So this is also the institution that is established to administer some criminal offenses which has to do with financial or economical issues, or like money laundering and other offenses that relates to money. Then we have got the Drug Enforcement Commission. The Drug Enforcement Commission, which is commonly known as DEC, which is provided by the Article 235 of the Laws of Zambia, 235 of the Constitution, and it is the amended Constitution. And this was established in 1989. By statutory instrument number 87 of 1989, which is Act number 87 of 1989. So this is this act, which was also, we have got also the other act, which is Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1996, and which gives the prohibition of the use of prohibited drugs. Then we have got also the immigration department. The immigration also can be has also some criminal offenses, and the Immigration and Deportation Act number 18 of 2010 establishes and provides functions for the Department of Immigration in Zambia. So the main mandate of the Department is to investigate and prosecute offenses relating to migration and immigration, prohibited and illegal immigrants, as well as deportation and removal from Zambia. So the immigration has also got some act. There is a funny thing that you have to know about the Immigration Act, that if you have stayed in Zambia for 21 years and you are 21 years and above old and you have not gotten the NRC, you are committing a crime. You are an illegal resident of Zambia. Your residence expires at the age of 21 years, and after that you should have the national registration card, so you can be jailed for illegal stay. Then there is also the Road Traffic and Safety Agency. It also administers some criminal offenses. So, for the purpose of criminal law, the Road Transport and Safety Agency administer the Road Traffic Act number 11 of 2002. So, the offenses are outlined under Part 11 of the Act and include causing death by reckless and or dangerous driving, according to that is number 188, reckless and dangerous driving, chapter 169, driving when under the influence of alcohol. It is these are some of the offenses that are enshrined in the Road and Traffic Act. Then there is also what is called the country has witnessed the creation of ad hoc institutions. These sometimes the institution have there are institutions that are also established to administer some of the cross-cutting issues. Then, as we said, there is the authoritative text. So those are the institutions that administer what is called criminal justice in Zambia. Thank you so much for being with me. I want to believe that you are enjoying being the paralegal, and you are able to administer the laws of Zambia accordingly. Thank you so much, and God bless you. This is your host, Dr. Tulipo Mwenifumbo, and God bless you.